Look what I have got. Hello world, so today I'm going to be doing a first unboxing video ever. Let me get that thumbnail real quick, sorry. Okay, so I'm doing my first unboxing video ever on my channel. So I got this Baby Alive, it says ready for bed, and this is an exclusive from Costco, so we're gonna open it today, and I'm gonna do a review.
So I got a pen, took this, I'm gonna open it and just like slide it across the top. I'm so excited right now. Yes. There, it's open.
Anyway, this is everything it comes with. It comes with pajamas. Oh, it's soft. Okay, it comes with a little thing. I'm pretty sure this is from another doll. 4 diapers, a bottle, and this rattle. We'll see if it rattles in a minute. A cracker that pushes in, and a book. So this is everything the Baby Life came with. It comes with the doll, a bottle, it comes with a little blanket toy, it comes with a rattle that doesn't work, 4 diapers, an extra outfit, like a cracker that I can push in, and a little book. I'm pretty sure it's a bedtime story. So yeah, I'm gonna dress her up in different outfits and put a diaper on her and give her a little bit of a feeding. She's tiny. Okay, so here she is right now having her bottle. I'm really afraid she's gonna leak on the bed, so I'm just squeeze it. And let's see how that just went. Okay. Oh, she didn't leak actually. She's good. So, oh, the bottle just fell. Anyway, so it definitely went down, obviously. So she seems pretty good with feeding, and the diapers seem to hold. So. No, that's part of it, obvious. So everything is good with the doll, and I'm really saying that you like her, and I like her. So I'm gonna give her a bottle still again. That's cute. So so I want everybody to comment a name suggestion. I was either thinking Olive or Neveah. I like those 2 names for her. So if you have any other name suggestions, you can write those in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye.